Well, hello again everybody, welcome back. And today we have a Mul-T-Lock Euro cylinder. It's a classic 5 pinning pin. There's the key bitting. All works very nice and smoothly. So I've had a little play with this, definitely feels like it's got security pins in it. So we'll have a little play, see if we can get in and see what's inside it. So still all in focus, yeah. So light tension, one's binding, and we've got a click and a very slight movement on the core. 2, counter rotation, a nice click. 3, counter rotation and a click. Same with 4. 5, we just got a click out of. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still just light tension on here. Right, everything seems solid there apart from one which doesn't want to do anything. Scoot along here and check out the inner pins. See if anything's binding. It felt like 3, we got a click. Feels like everything. Let's go down these outer pins again. One's not binding. Right, that was a click off 5. One's still not binding. 2, 3, 4. Still nothing. That felt like 3, the inner pin, and gave us a bit more movement. Oh, nice deep full set now. Right, that was 2 had come up, and 4, and we're open. Right, let's just get that to there. Get the pinning tray in. Adjust the camera. And then let's see if we can get inside this one, see what it's got. So we're locked up there. So we can get this clip off. There we go. Nice reasonable clip for a change. Right, if we get the pinning shoe in. There we go. And with a bit of luck, that should be the right way round. And there we go. So actually looks like we haven't got pin in chamber 5. But the rest of them are. So let's tip these out and see what we've got. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like on 4 we've got a wafer on the inner pin. So that's just the key control pins on the side. There's nothing else in the core. Let's just arrange these. Come on. There we go. So one looks like a bit of a tapered spool. 2 has got a wafer on the outer. And that's just serrated. 3 is another tapered spool. 4 is a tapered spool with a wafer on the inner pin. And 5 is just a solid pin. Right, let's see what we can see in here. Right, there was a wafer in 5. And there's the pin. Spring out of 5. With a spool top pin in 4. That was 3. Another spooled driver. And in 2. And a standard driver in 1. There's the springs. One more spring. There we go. That's all fairly normal and standard in there. So number 1 is just a standard. Going to focus or not? There we go. We've got a few of these with the serrations on the inner pins, and let's just it doesn't feel like we've got the lips on the no. So no little cuts on the inside of the key pins, but here we go. Get the focus going, so we get a bit more light on there. So there we go, Mul-T-Lock Classic, picked and gutted. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you again soon, bye.